Hello internet, welcome to Cute Things Online where art, code and creativity come together. Today I'm doing something a little meta. I wanna use AI to analyze my videos and give a review on it. So let's try to first use a whisper from OpenAI to transcript our video into text, and so we can use this text in DeepSeek or ChatGPT to ask for a peer review, ask for like some points of improvement and all these things. So let's dive into it. So one of the first things I want to share with you is like this first conversation that's really important to have with ChatGPT or DeepSeek, where you ask it to make some questions where you can consolidate your idea. So you can see that here I was like explaining a bit the project and this other stuff, and in the end I came here and say like give me questions about how to consolidate this idea. So it made me a bunch of different questions. I actually didn't answer all of them, but this gives it's a nice structure for you to also think about some points that if you would just write my project is this, it wouldn't be like so consistent. So you can answer all these questions like or half of the questions and say like as I didn't answer all the questions. I said like, well, a bit here's a bit of answering, and just like some questions were missing the answers, but it's fine. It gave me a really nice description where I can go and review and change some stuff, but at least I have like a more specific structure for my project, and from that I can start having better conversations and more specific conversations with AI. So once I got something that is really interesting for me, I can just copy and go to a new chat, or like just keep the same conversation. I'll just in this case open a new chat because I already had a whole conversation in the chat after this. So here I'm just placing the whole project. So every time you want to talk about the project with AI, instead of like open a new chat, you can just come and repeat this chat, or like use always this first structure that you create to initiate the conversation. So like the AI has more knowledge about your project and is not just like going in different places to trying to figure out what you're doing. So here I would just add. So basically I'm just saying that I will send the video material later, and it can wait now, so it's not gonna start analyzing straight in. So now that you have already this chat with your brand identity, you can analyze your videos. So the first thing I do, I go to replicate, and then here in sign in. If you didn't sign in, you need to do an account on GitHub, but then you do it, and then you can come here. Once you get in your dashboard, you go to explore, and then here you're gonna look for Whisper. So you're gonna come to this one from OpenAI, and then there is an example. You just take it off, and here you're just gonna need to drop only the audio of your video. So try to convert that video to audio some way, or with an app in the internet, or if you have some editor in your computer, make sure you just have the audio, and then you drop it here. So to give you some idea here, like I'm using CapCut. There's a free app, there is the pro version also, but with the free app you can already do a lot of stuff. I'll just come here, export, and instead I would have here, I will turn off video and keep just audio. So export this audio from the video that I record to this moment, and then it will just extract the MP3. So just to be clear here, I'm just playing around. So I edited all the video from before the CapCut, and then I will use the transcription of this first part of the video to ask DeepSeek to help me to finish the video or give me some insights on how to finish the video. When you're doing this by yourself, of course, you record the whole video and then transcript and then ask for feedback later on, and then you can take from that. But in this case, we're just playing around, so let's see what happened. So once you come here, you just click run and then you wait, and then it will transcript all your audio. I just forgot to mention, of course, that actually replicate has some cost, so you might need to like register your credit card if you don't have an account on replicate, but it's really low, the cost for this model, so you can check here. And replicate is a really good platform because it only will charge you for the amount of that you're using, so there is no subscription or anything. So if you come here and you use this model, you're just paying this tiny amount of money for this one time you're using, and that's all. Work is done. You can come and see that here it's gonna be all the text that you said in the video, and this is exactly everything I said. Maybe there is some mistakes on the transcription, but it's fine. So we take this and then we go back to DeepSeek and we paste here, and then you say, you ask for give me a review on my video, and in this case I will add that I need to finish the video, because in this case I still recording. So I will ask for give me a suggestion on how to finish the video. So it's just, I'm just playing around in this case. No, you're just gonna ask for give a review on the video, and then we wait. Well, now we have the review of like everything. It's nice that it's gonna give you the strengths of your video. It's also come and go for like areas for improvement, and I can clearly see that in this video I felt a bit rushed, and maybe when I was explaining the technical steps was not so good. I'm sorry for you watching this video. I will try to make better next time. It's also suggesting a better structure for my video for next time to make it more engaging. So all these things are really nice, and then here is gonna give me some ideas to how to finish the video. So in this case I was just playing around, and then I also asked AI to give me some insights on how to finish this video that I was recording and doing a bit of like a meta game. But the general idea is that you can use that for anything you want related to your video. Adding this to the machine, you can or like as we did, asking for feedback, or also ask for other videos related that might be nice to do it. It's you can every time you create a new video, you can also do this transcript and add all your videos and all your content that you created beforehand to the machine, so it already will know the topics that you're interested in, the way you were organizing your videos previously, and then it can give you like new inputs and all these things. And so if you like to know more about, you can follow us on like Cute Things Online. Is where I share all my coding projects and all the things that I'm working right now. And here in the YouTube channel, I'm always posting some like tips on how to mix code, AI, and creativity, and play with all these things. So follow for more, and if you have any doubt, we had any issues, just leave like comment, and I will try to reach out and answer your questions.